Now let's talk about brushes. To clean your brushes, remove them by holding Grillbot upside down. Grip the brush by the ends and use your thumb to press the release button on the outside and remove the brush from the axle. Wipe the bottom of your Grillbot using a damp cloth or degreaser. You can place the brushes in a dishwasher or rinse in soapy hot water. After the brushes are clean, simply line up the notches with the slot. Snap them back into place by slipping the brush back onto the motor shaft and press until the brush clicks into place. Grillbot's replaceable brushes are available on our website, grillbots.com. Grillbot comes with standard brass brushes. For a more robust clean, try our stainless steel brushes, recommended for non-coated grill grates. Grillbot loves to scrub, so use it as often as you like. Thank you for choosing Grillbot, the grill cleaning robot.